I guess. That's it.
A raccoon in its natural habitat underneath a construction site or destruction site. It's the old bridge in Victoria, BC. It's coming down. And there's a new one in behind it, the white one. You can sort of see it. Pretty modern. Anyways, there's a raccoon somewhere down there. There he is. Anyways, we'll get back to you with the raccoon. There you are.
What's that for?
He's gonna fall in the water. Watch this. I wonder if he gets pissed off every time he drops a good one. You know, he probably just picked it off and dropped it. Fuck. It's like fucking hands.
And yeah.
Yes, we have an ant problem too, as you can see. Natalie's shooing them away. Not killing them, but just shooing. They're all over the place, but they're not hurting you. Don't fall in. He's just hanging on there. His tail's almost touching the water. Anyways, we'll get back to the raccoon in a bit.
It's an earthquake.
It's an earthquake.
Hey, you too. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Watch out, ants, or those feet are gonna get you. There you go. Where did he go? Where'd he go? You can make it up to the top and get across there that fast. Where the fuck did he go? No, he didn't make it up there and across that fast. Where the fuck did he go? I don't know what he's doing, but it's kind of boring. Cool. Now where'd he go?
Huh?
He's eating shit off the fucking pontoons.